Alright, let's do this quiz 2 review. 1 through 4, use the triangle inequality theorem. Okay, if you remember what the triangle inequality theorem is, what you're going to do is add the two smallest sides, and if it's greater than the third side, that's a triangle. If it's equal or less, then it's not a triangle. Okay, so on number 1, the smaller ones are 7 and 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 is greater than 13, so that's a yes. On number 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, but 5 is less than 7, so that's a no. On number 3, the smaller ones are 4 and 10. 4 plus 10 is 14, and that equals the other side. And this is the one most people miss. But remember, equal is a no. It has to be greater, not equal. And then on number 4, the small numbers are 5 and 8. Add those up, you get 13. That's greater than 11, so that is a yes. All right. Let's look at the next little section here, 5 through 7. On 5 through 7, find the range for the third triangle side length given two side lengths. Notice how it was given the variables in the middle with the less than signs. So to get these two blanks, all you got to do is subtract on one side and add on the other side, right? So let's do that. 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay, and on the other side, 14 plus 5 is 19. 19. Anytime you're finding the range of a third side, you subtract on the left, add on the right. Now on 6 and 7, I'm going to do this mentally. 8 minus 7, 1. 8 plus 7, 15. Number 7, 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 plus 4 is 9. Again, you subtract on the left, and you add on the right. All right? Number 8, I've got a triangle here. I want to find n. Does everyone see that I've got these two tick marks? Okay. What does that mean? Two equal sides means these opposite angles are going to be the same. So if this one's 30, guess what angle n is going to be? 30 degrees. Okay. So that's it for n. And then I want to classify this. If I have two equal sides, like I saw right here, that means it's isosceles. Okay? And if I look at my angles, I have one angle that's greater than 180. That means it's going to be obtuse. Please remember, there's two classifications for each triangle, one by its sides, one by its angles. Okay? Flipping it over to the back side on number 9. Alright, I need to get K. Now if I know two angles, 90 and 28, I'm going to add all three of these angles up equal to 180. 90 plus 28 plus K equals 180. This is the triangle sum theorem, that the three angles inside of a triangle add up to 180. So 90 plus 28 is 118 plus K equals 180. And then to get rid of this loner, minus 118 minus 118, K equals, and we get 62. Alright, so that's K. Now you got to look at these sides. Each side has a different tick mark on it. So that means all three sides are different, so we call that scalene. And I look at the angles. I've got two acute angles, but I've got one that is right. So that's going to be called a right triangle. So this is a scalene right triangle. And then number 10, going to be very similar to number 9. I just need to make sure that I add them all up. Okay, so again, I'm going to add all 3 angles equal to 180. So I'm going to have, let me do this in red, 3y plus 7 plus 5y plus 3 plus 90 equals 180. Okay? What I want to do on the left-hand side with all that stuff is combine like terms. So 3y plus 5y is 8y. And then I want to add all those constants up. 7 plus 3 plus 90 is 100 equals 180. And then I need to get rid of my loner on the left-hand side. Minus 100, minus 100. 8y equals 80. Divide by 8, divide by 8. Y equals 10. Okay. And on the classification, then I'm going to just have to look at the sides. I got 3 different sides. That's scalene. And then I look at my angles, and I've got 1 right angle, so that is a right triangle. Okay. The bottom part was just extra practice on vocab. I'm going to leave this for you. Hopefully you went through it all. These are all terms you should know that we've been using, except for this one. So don't worry about exterior angle theorem. We're doing that tomorrow. But everything else you should know. So